Notorious Explorers.
Mute the part where I burp. Finally, Quaa. Wake up, Prabji, we're here. This is Notorious Explorers.
Just missed the sunset. Missed the sun. Setting is still going on. You can see that from the light.
You see this? These are scorpion's marks, and obviously near a bush. No, we are not staying here, we stay there. The sun has set. We'll set up camp in a while. It's I think 6 p.m. now. It's only us in this area. It's amazing. Temperature is around 27 or 26. Mommy Explorer.
आयुष बुशच्या इथे हे असतात स्कॉर्पिओ बुशच्या जवळ जातात.
Look at this. See this? Amazing patterns. This is a newly formed dune. Wanna do your flip?
Yeah. I hope.
Look. Let me move back a little bit.
Ready?
Ready.
3.
Are you okay?
Yes. Again. Kavya didn't see.
The pattern. Wow. We are 2 families. One petrol, one exterior obviously.
The next morning.
Good morning. This is the same spot we camped last time as well. Very few campers yesterday night. Maybe because it was half moon, probably that's why. And I hope you guys would like the night photos which I clicked. There's the setup. 2 families. Our X. Our Y. 62. X and Y together. You see that white light? Yep, that white one. Served the purpose pretty good. More than expected. Beautiful. We will leave this place as it was. Do not worry. Let's have coffee. Yeah, water is hot. Let's have coffee.
Outside Quaa gate,
There's a big dust.
there is a bin kept. You can just dump all your trash here, and the Tadveer people will come and collect it. No need to leave it where you camp. You can be kind enough to dump it here. Thanks to all the kind people who have already done it.